Hey guys, this is Papa Smurf. I've been requested to go through the source code of this, my on-screen keyboard, so I'll go through that now. I won't bother with the CSS, it's not too bad. I'll attach those in the link below. What I want to go through is the HTML. So I'll start off with the form first, and then I'll go through the buttons and the JavaScript. So this is the form here. I've set the action to search in Google, and then to search for something, you just put in a text and set the name to Q. And when you search that, it'll search in Google. And I'll quickly show that. As you see here, you have the action, the value, and what you typed. And submit, and set the value to search. That is how the form works. And what I've done with these buttons is set the value to all of them as it appears on the keyboard, and then I have this Java function on click equals input run this dot value, and that is this Java script function here. The two interesting ones are the space and the backspace. The space is easy, you just set the value to a space, and that works like all of the other buttons. But the harder one is this backspace. I found no way of putting a backspace through input run, so I just made a separate function. So I'll go through the functions now, first explaining input run. It's pretty easy. What you do is you're finding the current value of the text bar, which is this here, and you're wanting to add on a value, so you plus equals the input value, and that just adds on an extra value. And then with backspace, what you do, this one's pretty long, you set the future value of text bar equal to a substring of the current text bar value. So substring here, get element by ID text bar dot value dot substring. You set it, and you set the parameters to be 0, the very start, and end it with the current length minus 1. And that literally just chops off the last value. And that's the source code. And I'll show it to you again once more. So you can course backspace. Oh my gosh, what is this? Let's search for something. history. Junk. In backspace. And search. And there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped.